hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these trending silver mirror earrings. They're very in now and are very stylish for this festive season. So let's get started. Firstly, take a buckram sheet and apply some glue over it. Now stick a round mirror on top of it. You can easily get them in the nearest market. Let it dry for some time, and now we will use this gold stone chain and silver bead chain. Just apply some glue around the mirror and glue the stone chain. And I would like to thank Art World and Pavan Kumar for your support. I'm really glad that you liked the video. And if you do want to get featured in my next video, all you have to do is watch my videos and comment down below. And I will choose one of you in my next video. Now take the silver bead chain and stick it around the stone chain. You can make your earring as big as possible and as creative as possible over here. Add another layer of the silk bead over here. Let it dry for some time and cut it out. And that's it, your earring is half done already. Just keep this aside. Now take few silver beads and eye pins. Open up the eye pins using the plier and insert 3 silver beads and close it up. Repeat this process to the rest of them as well. Now cut them in short. Take your earring base, apply some glue and stick them this way, each a little apart. And also attach the hook over here. Now take another buckram paper and stick over it. Let it dry for some time, and that's it. Your pretty mirror earrings are done. Don't you love them? I totally like the way they turned out. They are very easy to make and they're super cool. If you are new to my channel, please watch my other DIY videos as well. I make a lot of DIY jewelry and many more interesting stuff. And there are more mirror jewelry videos coming up. So stay tuned. If you do like this video, please do like the video and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and please press that bell icon. so you don't have to miss any updates. So that's it guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video and meet you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting!